Sending a payment link to a customer is a convenient way to facilitate online transactions securely. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to do it effectively. Choose a payment gateway. Select a reliable payment gateway that supports sending payment links. Popular options include PayPal, Stripe, Square, and others. Log into your payment gateway account. Access your payment gateway account through the web or mobile app. Ensure you have your login credentials ready. Navigate to the payment link section. Look for options related to sending payment links. This may be under the Send Money, Request Money, or Create Invoice sections depending on the platform. Enter payment details. Fill in the necessary details such as the customer's email address or phone number, payment amount, and any additional notes or invoice details. Generate the payment link. Click on the option to generate the payment link. The payment gateway will create a unique URL that directs the customer to a secure payment page. Copy or share the payment link. Once generated, copy the payment link provided by the payment gateway. You can share this link via email, SMS, messaging apps, or embed it on your website. Customer receives and processes payment. The customer receives the payment link and clicks on it to access the payment page. They can enter their payment details securely and complete the transaction. Confirmation and record keeping. Both you and the customer will receive confirmation of the payment. Keep a record of the transaction for accounting and customer service purposes.